In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Verizon Travel Pass. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using Verizon Travel Pass and its services when you travel abroad is extremely straightforward. It is going to be activated automatically. So for this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly set it up and make sure that you can use it when you travel abroad. So my recommendations is that you visit the Verizon website. Keep in mind that you can also do this process through the Verizon mobile app. In there, you will be able to find international plan under the additional services. But if you visit the website and you wish to follow along, use the search function at the top and look for International Trip Planner, like so. International Trip Planner. When you look for this, you will be able to find the result here. And upon clicking on this option, choose Travel Pass and International Travel Planner. This is where you can start the process of making sure that the service Travel Pass is activated in your Verizon account. So in here, you can click Plan Your Trip at the top of the screen and you will be able to set it up. You can also scroll down to find additional information regarding the service. But to summarize, like I said, it is going to be active automatically upon choosing to opt in for the service. When you travel to a country that has travel pass coverage, you will only be charged when you use your phone's roaming data. So it works automatically once the server is added into your Verizon account, and they will always let you know about any charges, and they will give you a summary for each day that you use the roaming data from Travel Pass. So like I said, in this page, click Plan Your Trip and you will be able to sign in to add the international plan to a pre-existing Verizon account or continue without signing in. Unfortunately, I cannot show you this full process on screen because it contains personal information, but like I said, this is all you have to do. Immediately upon signing in here, you will be able to access My Verizon and in there choose to opt in for Travel Pass. Afterwards, whenever you turn on roaming data, it is automatically going to get charged and active. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Verizon Travel Pass. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.